month meets you exactly where you are, whether your faith feels strong or fragile, whether you are consistent or struggling, whether you feel close to Allah or distant. Ramadan does not require you to arrive perfect. It meets you in your imperfection and invites you forward. Perhaps there is a specific habit Allah wants you to leave behind. Perhaps there is a relationship He wants you to repair. Perhaps there is a level of faith He wants you to discover within yourself. The opportunities in Ramadan are not generic rewards. They are openings tailored to your life. When you realize that this month is personal, your perspective changes. You stop comparing your worship to others. You stop measuring your progress against someone else's journey. Instead, you focus on your heart, your sincerity, your effort. If Allah has chosen you to witness this Ramadan, it means your story is still being written. And this chapter has the potential to be the one that changes everything.